Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this glam theme outfit in Dress to Impress. If you're ready to steal the spotlight in this tutorial, we are creating a show-stopping glam outfit that guarantees you'll turn heads and snatch the top score. So let me show you how we can create this look. Here, the hair that I'm going to use is under the curly category. So I only going to use this hair and make it dark brown color. Then first, I'm going to go to the fitting room in here and put on the eyelashes. This one. Also put on the necklace and make the color white. And last one, here I'm going to grab this first, make the color black, and the last preview, make it a soft pink like this. Let's finish the outfit. So for the fit, first I'm going to grab this top in here, the one at the top right corner, and for the first preview, I'm going to use this black and white flower patterns, and the second preview, make the color black. Then here I'm going to combine it with this stockings, make the color black, and grab this shoe, change the bow color into white or light gray. And here I'm going to combine it with this white skirt and change the color to the pattern. And now I'm going to grab this gloves but remove the fur, change the color into black. And here you're going to also put on this shoulder puff, make the color the same with the patterns. And now let's grab the accessories. So I'm going to put on another necklace, this one, and toggle it into number 2, change the gems color into black. And I'm going to also grab this long earrings and also this this bracelet in here. And here I'm going to also put on this hat, change the color into black. And now to complete the skirt, I'm going to use this currency items to go it into only skirt. First preview patterns, and the second and the third, make the color black. And now your glam look is done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.